Okay, let's figure out why your Cricket Wireless payment isn't going through. There are several common culprits. First, double check your card details. Is the card number, expiration date, and CVV code entered correctly on the Cricket Wireless website or app? Even a small typo can cause a decline. Next, make sure your billing address matches the one on file with your bank or credit card company. Discrepancies here are a frequent reason for payment failures. Insufficient funds is another possibility, so verify your available balance. Also, check if your card is expired or has been blocked due to suspected fraud. Sometimes, banks will block a transaction if it seems unusual. Finally, there might be a temporary issue with Cricket's system or your bank's server, so patience might be needed. Key takeaway: always double check your payment information and account balance. Now, let's get this fixed. Start by manually re entering your payment information on the Cricket Wireless website or app. Don't just rely on saved details, as they can sometimes be outdated. If that doesn't work, try using a different payment method: a different credit card, a debit card, or a Cricket Wireless refill card purchased from a store. Consider contacting your bank or credit card company to ensure there are no holds or blocks on your account. If the problem persists, reach out to Cricket Wireless customer support directly via phone or online chat. They can investigate your account and identify any specific issues on their end. Finally, if you're using AutoPay, double check that it's properly set up and that your payment method is current. Sometimes, AutoPay can fail if your card expires or if there's an issue with the saved payment details. Key takeaway: try different payment methods and contact customer support if the issue persists after checking your information and bank status.